NFTs aren't just for collecting anymore. You can now send NFT gifts and stickers directly in Telegram. Whether you want to surprise a friend with a unique NFT or express yourself with custom stickers, this video will show you how to send, receive, and create NFT stickers and gifts on Telegram. Let's get started. Why are NFT gifts and stickers becoming popular in Telegram? Here's why. 1. Exclusive and limited edition. Unlike regular stickers, NFT stickers are unique and can be owned, traded, or sold. 2. Gift NFTs to friends. Send collectible NFTs as special gifts to your Telegram contacts. 3. Earn and trade. Some NFT stickers hold value and can be resold on NFT marketplaces. 4. Integrated with Telegram. No need for separate apps. You can send and receive NFTs directly in your chats. If you love digital collectibles, this is the coolest way to personalize your Telegram experience. Sending an NFT gift in Telegram is super easy. Follow these steps. 1. Choose an NFT marketplace. Platforms like Ton NFTs, OpenSea, or Rarible offer Telegram-friendly NFTs. 2. Connect your wallet. Use a Ton-compatible wallet like Ton Wallet or MetaMask to store and send your NFTs. 3. Select the NFT you want to gift. Pick an NFT from your collection or buy one as a surprise gift. 4. Transfer via Telegram. Simply copy the recipient's Ton wallet address or use Telegram's NFT transfer feature if supported. 5. Confirm and send. Once the transaction is complete, your friend receives the NFT directly in their Telegram wallet. Pro tip: check the network fees before sending to avoid any surprises. Now, let's talk about NFT stickers, the latest trend in Telegram chats. How to use NFT stickers. Find NFT sticker packs. Check Telegram groups, NFT marketplaces, or sticker bots offering NFT stickers. Mint and own your stickers. Some collections require you to mint the NFT before using it in chats, send, and show off. Once you own an NFT sticker, you can send it just like any other Telegram sticker, but with real ownership attached. How to create your own NFT stickers. Design your stickers. Use AI tools, Photoshop, or Figma to create eye-catching digital art. Mint as an NFT. Use TON, Ethereum, or Solana-based NFT platforms to mint your stickers. List and share. Upload to Telegram and share your NFT sticker pack with friends and collectors. Bonus tip: some platforms allow creators to earn royalties when their NFT stickers are used or resold. Want to get started? Here are the best platforms for NFT gifts and stickers in Telegram. Ton NFT marketplaces. Best for direct Telegram integration. OpenSea and Rarible. Great for high-value Ethereum-based NFTs. NFT sticker bots. Telegram bots that let you buy, send, and create NFT stickers easily. Custom NFT creators, artists, and projects launching exclusive Telegram NFT sticker collections. Pro tip: join NFT Telegram communities to discover free airdrops and exclusive sticker packs. Got questions? Here are the top 4 FAQs about Telegram NFT gifts and stickers. Are NFT stickers and gifts free to send? It depends on the blockchain. Some have gas fees, while Ton NFTs are often low cost. Can I trade NFT stickers like regular NFTs? Yes. Many NFT stickers are limited editions and can be resold on marketplaces. Do I need a special wallet for Telegram NFTs? You'll need a Ton wallet or compatible NFT wallet to store and send NFTs in Telegram. Can I earn money by creating NFT stickers? Absolutely. You can sell your NFT sticker packs and earn from resales or royalties. Have more questions? Drop them in the comments and we'll help you out. NFT gifts and stickers in Telegram are the future of digital expression. Surprise your friends with unique NFT gifts. Express yourself with rare NFT stickers. Create, sell, and trade your own Telegram NFT collections. Ready to get started? Check the links in the description for top NFT sticker packs and marketplaces. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto and NFT guides. And don't forget to watch our related videos, linked on the screen now. See you in the next one.